Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing some foodstuffs I bought from the UK and also some of the foodstuffs that were shipped to me from Nigeria since 2020. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Let's unbox together, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. The first carton we'll be unboxing is the foodstuffs I ordered from the UK. A friend of mine sells African foodstuffs, so if you need anything, just let me know so I will give you her contact, okay? She posts worldwide and she sells like egusi, that's melon seed, crayfish, ogbono, breadfruit. Let me eat, guys, almost all the things you need in your kitchen to prepare that delicious meal she has it, okay? So let's go on unboxing.
Guys, look at this, look at this. I think I need to open one. I can't wait. Let me just open one.
This is dry catfish. You can use it to prepare almost any kind of dish you want.
Baby, nanka. Oh my word. The fish is superb. I got like how many packs? 1, 2, 3. This one's 4 in 1, depending on the size. The first one I opened, I think that one is 3. No, it's also 4. Wow. Okay, that is 3. 4.
The crayfish you see here is for my friend. I did not order crayfish this time around because my brother-in-law posted crayfish to me from Nigeria, but I've ordered crayfish from her last month. And she sells original Oron crayfish. Here is prawn.
This one too.
No, I think no.
This is mama.
I don't know. Throwing it.
Oh, Jejuna didn't make it again. This is the second time I'm ordering snail. Make it real. Money.
I give up.
Now I give up. Ordering snail. 2 packs of Kanda just opened. Maybe 3 packs, 3 packets, because I ordered for 4 packets. So 3 packets got opened. Only one that is still intact. And here are the rest of the Kanda. Oh, see my fish. Oh, part of my fish. Yeah, the rest of my bomo.
Guys, there is nothing wrong with the snails. As I opened it, I noticed that thing on it is like dust. It looks like dust. so I just washed it with warm water, and I tested it because she cooked it and fried it before she posted it, and the taste is still intact. So I'm keeping it. I'll use it to prepare soup. I've already eaten one and the taste is very, very sweet. So I will still be ordering some snails again. Look at it, guys, so fresh. And over here is my momo. I couldn't even wait till the following day. I have to soak this overnight, so I'll use it to cook soup the following day.
So guys, I just received my pack today, my parcel today. This one is from Nigeria. My brother-in-law sent it to me. He prepared the food, packaged it, sealed everything, and posted it to me. I think he sent this before Christmas. Yeah, he sent it first week of November. And I was even planning that some things here I will use it to prepare my Christmas food, because I was thinking it will come before Christmas. Normally, when they send us something from Nigeria, it takes 1 month. But due to COVID and all those things, it has to stay for a longer time. I don't know how long it must stay, but I know that now it's overstayed. Like this one overstayed almost 2 months now. Should I say? Yeah, almost 2 months, because we are almost in the middle of January 2021. So, and another thing that delayed it is that when it arrived, it had to go to custom. I don't know the reason they have to send it to custom, because it's not always that they send it to custom. Sometimes when they send us food from Nigeria, it just arrived here straight, but we received message from them that they'll be sending it to custom first. They didn't tell us any reason why they sent it to custom. So this is my in-law's name, my husband brother's name, and this is shipped to my husband, and this one is from the custom. This is our address and my husband's brother's name and my husband's name. They did not write the reason why it went through them first before they posted it to us. I've been waiting for Mona to go to bed before I start unboxing this, because I don't want any disturbance once I start unboxing it, because if he's here, he will not even allow me to unbox it. He will put his hand inside there, and anything that he brings out, he put it inside his mouth. That's why I waited for him to go to bed. But before I say Jack Robinson, he just stole this one. He just stole out the receipt. So, but that's it, guys. Let's just unbox this. I think I've talked a lot here. Where should I start from? I don't know where to start from. Let's see. I think it's from here. Yeah, it's from here. My brother-in-law did not use this carton when he posted it. He changed the carton at customs. I don't know whether it went to custom because maybe the carton this damaged on the way. I think the carton damaged on the way since it stayed long before it arrived in Norway. So maybe that's why it went to custom, so that they will change the carton. Me, I don't know. And the first thing we have here is crayfish. Very fresh. Guys, I have the best in-laws ever. Like the best in-law. I did not pay for all these things, so the only thing I bought here is my breadfruit. The breadfruit was the only thing my mom helped me to prepare when it was still the season of breadfruit. That was before that first lockdown. That was when my mom bought the breadfruit and prepared it for me. But these ones, crayfish and other things here, my brother-in-law bought it with his money, packaged everything, even put liquid nitrogen so that it will last for long. And this crayfish is very fresh, like it's so good, guys. My crayfish is almost finishing. That's the one I bought from UK. That one is almost finishing, and I bought I did not buy a lot of crayfish because my mother-in-law told me that he'll be posting some crayfish to me. So I just bought small that I'll be using for now because my crayfish has finished. And the one I bought is almost finishing. And this is the breadfruit my mother prepared for me. You see? Not only this pack. Not only this pack. Oh my God, so heavy. She prepared 100 cups. This is the second breadfruit. Like I said, she prepared 100 cups for me. But you know that when you dry your breadfruit, it reduces. So this is it, guys. This is the second breadfruit. Oh my God, it's so heavy. God, OMG, guys. Over here, you guys know what this is already, right? Egusi. This is one of the things my brother-in-law prepared for me. Egusi, that's melon seed. He even blended this. So guys, my work has been reduced. You know the work I'm talking about, the work of picking egusi before cooking it, washing it, blending it. It has reduced. It just reduced drastically because everything is almost ready. I think I have to prepare egusi tomorrow morning. No, I promised my friend that tomorrow I will rest. I promised her that I must rest tomorrow because stress wants to kill me, guys. No time for me to even rest. My friend was like, you know you love cooking every time. Even if you say you will rest, the next time I will call you, you will tell me you are cooking one thing or the other. So I don't think I'll be cooking it tomorrow, but less for me, I would have prepared egusi tomorrow because I don't have egusi soup. Guys, you know what this is? This is bonga fish. Aleka bonga fish. The stoned, deboned, blended, and he preserved this with liquid nitrogen. So I will be putting this inside my soup from now on. I'll be getting that local tasty soup, guys. I will even use this to prepare native jollof rice. Are you with me? Yes, this is Aleka bonga fish, guys. And the next thing here, oh my days, the next thing here, I think I know what this is. Yeah, the next thing here is no cube. Maybe this is one of the reasons the custom have to repackage everything. Maybe because the no cube open. You know it's difficult to bring no cube to Europe. And talk more of the one that is open. Maybe this is why they checked it to know if there is any contraband in it. So I think this is the main reason it went to custom, because with no cubes they don't normally take in no cubes. So my no cube, one packet opened, but it's okay. I have 4 packets. Oh my God, now I have no cube. Guys, do you know I even bought no cube from UK? Like I gave a friend of mine money. She sells foodstuffs, Nigerian foodstuffs. So when she was posting the foodstuff, I begged her to help me buy no cube from any grocery shop there, because I ran out of no cube. But now I have 4 packets, guys. Let me just enjoy this year 2021. We be lit. It will be lit, guys. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. This is all I will be enjoying this year. I don't want any visitors this January, please though. No visitors is allowed to come this January. I will enjoy this alone. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me. Let me pack it back inside here. It will stay here till tomorrow morning before I start putting it inside the container. So for now, that's all I got from Nigeria. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you all. Bye. Remain blessed and see you in my next video.